Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: account number, SIF, and the mobile number registered with the bank, because OTPs and initial validation depend on them. Once ready, open an updated browser or the bank's app. Strong connectivity reduces timeouts. Click Retail User Login and enter your customer ID, then input the temporary or existing password. Make sure to accept any security prompts, and when prompted, type the OTP received on your phone to authenticate and reach the NetBanking dashboard. Now you secure and personalize access. Change the temporary password to something strong and unique. This prevents unauthorized reuse. Once done, register your device and set transaction PINs or profile security questions so future logins are smoother and safer. Next, enable two-factor authentication where available and update your email for alerts. This reduces fraud risk. Make sure to set beneficiary limits and OTP requirements for transfers, because these controls protect large transactions and give you fallback options. Finish by adding beneficiaries with correct IFSC and account details, then verify them via OTP. This step prevents misdirected funds. Once verified, choose NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS depending on urgency and limits, enter amount and narration, and confirm with transaction PIN or OTP. After completion, review transaction history and download receipts for records. If something goes wrong, first check the registered mobile and OTP delivery. Clear browser cache or try the app, and then contact Canara Bank support with transaction reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.